The biggest mistake you can make right now is treating every AI tool like a generic Swiss Army knife, because eventually, you are going to try to saw through a massive tree with a tiny decorative blade and realize you are getting nowhere. It happens the moment you start building. You have a pile of documents. Maybe they are messy files or old database exports, and you just want the AI to stop making things up. You want it to be grounded in reality. This is the exact moment where you have to decide, do I care more about what my system knows or what my system does? If your primary goal is knowledge, if you need to turn a mountain of text into a searchable, intelligent gold mine, then you are looking at the specialized world of data retrieval. One specific approach has basically cornered the market here because it does not try to be everything. It just wants to be the perfect librarian. It takes your data, slice it into manageable chunks, and builds a bridge so the model can find the exact right information in milliseconds. It is about accuracy. It is about making sure the answer is buried in your specific data, not pulled out of thin air. There's very little mental overhead here because the goal is narrow. It is efficient, it is fast. It gets you to a working search system without the headache of building a massive engine from scratch. But then, you hit a wall. You realize you do not just want an answer. You want an agent. You want something that can think, reason, and take action in the real world. That requires a completely different architecture. You need logic. You need branching paths where the AI decides to go left or right based on what it finds. You need a system that can remember the context of a conversation from 3 days ago. You need it to hit an external service, check a status, and then maybe send a notification or update a record. This is the massive, sprawling landscape of orchestration. This is where the heavy-duty toolboxes come into play. They are built for complexity, for those massive, multi-step workflows that feel like a full-on application rather than just a simple chat window. The trade-off is real, though. You will feel the weight of it. There are layers of abstraction that can make simple tasks feel like you are solving a puzzle within a puzzle. You might find yourself asking why a basic prompt requires so much setup. It is the price you pay for power. In the real world, though, the smartest move is not picking a side in some pointless rivalry. It is realizing that these two things are actually pieces of the same puzzle. Most high-level teams have stopped choosing one over the other. They use the specialized librarian to handle the data, to make sure the AI is actually smart and well-informed. Then they wrap that knowledge inside the heavy-duty orchestrator to handle the logic, the tools, and the decision-making. One is the brain's memory. The other is the brain's executive function. If you focus on that distinction, the confusion just melts away. You stop fighting the tools and start using them for what they were actually designed to do. One knows things. The other does things. When you combine them, you are not just building a chatbot. You are building a system that actually works.